This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Habib Bora. This warm and welcoming, brick front, and unit townhouse could be your sweet home, having a large open floor plan on the main level. The spacious and inviting, this beautiful gourmet kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, wonderful cabinetry, a high-end refrigerator, dishwasher, cooktop, built-in microwave, and wall oven. Hardwood floors throughout including stairs. The house has spacious bedrooms including the owner's suite. The owner's suite includes a luxurious soaking tub and a walk-in closet. The townhouse is located minutes away from the Avonlea Town Center, which will be the first premier shopping, dining, and entertainment destinations in Loudoun County, Virginia. Please follow COVID-19 SOPs while showing this property to your clients. You all are hereby requested to follow COVID-19 SOPs. For more information,